Baking with blooms, a floral feast for your senses. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and colorful topic: baking with blooms. This phrase might sound a bit poetic at first, but it's all about the art of incorporating flowers into your baking. Yes, you heard that right. Flowers in your cakes, cookies, and more. So, if you're curious about how to make your treats not just delicious but also incredibly beautiful, you're in the right place. Let's explore together how flowers can transform your baking from ordinary to extraordinary. Baking with blooms refers to the practice of using edible flowers in baked goods. This can mean anything from decorating cakes with fresh flowers to incorporating dried petals into your dough or batter. The idea is not just to enhance the visual appeal of your baked items but also to add unique flavors and aromas. Flowers like lavender, rose, and chamomile can introduce subtle and distinctive tastes that are hard to replicate with other ingredients. Not all flowers are edible, and some can be downright dangerous if consumed. So, it's crucial to know which blooms are safe to use in your baking. Edible flowers such as violas, marigolds, nasturtiums, and certain roses are popular choices. Always ensure your flowers are free from pesticides and other chemicals, ideally sourcing them from an organic grower or your own garden. Before using flowers in your baking, they need to be prepared properly. This usually involves washing and drying them gently to remove any dirt or bugs. For some recipes, you might use just the petals, while in others, the whole flower can be incorporated. Flowers can be used in various ways, such as infusing your sugar with lavender for a fragrant touch, decorating your cakes with fresh blooms for a stunning visual effect, mixing dried petals into batter or dough for flavor and color. Let your creativity flow with these ideas. Lavender-infused lemon cakes for a refreshing twist. Rose petal shortbread cookies for a romantic treat. Chamomile tea cakes for a soothing snack. Candied violets for a sweet and elegant garnish. We hope this video has inspired you to start baking with blooms and explore the endless possibilities they offer. Remember, the key is to experiment and have fun with it. Flowers can add a whole new dimension to your baking, turning simple recipes into extraordinary creations that delight both the palate and the eyes. Thank you for watching, and happy baking! If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative baking tips. See you in the next video.